Emmy?
How are you?
I'm good. Did you have a good day today being star of the day? Yeah. Did you get to bring snacks? What did you bring?
Cheese crackers.
Mhm.
Cheese crackers and milk.
Yeah, was it yummy? Yeah? And did
I can see.
Okay, you can see in a little bit. Hey, so did you get to bring something for show and tell being star of the day?
Yeah, my orange bear.
Yeah, what did you talk about your orange bear?
It's orange, everybody. Look at it. It's orange. That's the color already.
Okay. Did you say anything else? No?
My Aunt Bonnie got it for me.
Oh, Aunt Bonnie got it for you.
Yeah. Feel it.
Oh, that's a nice bear.
Cuddly.
Yeah, it's cuddly. Did everybody like your bear?
Mhm.
Good. So you had a good day overall? Yeah?
I'm gonna put it back in my cubby.
Oh, okay.